Welcome back, curious minds! OpenClaw dropped version 5.9, and if you're running OpenClaw already, this is an update worth knowing about. But if you're not yet running it, this release is a good reason to take another look. Let me walk you through what's new and whether it's worth your attention. OpenClaw 5.9 landed as a beta release with the version tag version 2026.5.9 beta 1. And while beta releases can sometimes feel like placeholder updates, this one brings substantive changes across several areas: messaging, agent defaults, and status reporting. Let me break them down. The biggest theme in this release is expanded messaging support. OpenClaw 5.9 adds WeChat support alongside existing iMessage integration. If you're using OpenClaw as a cross-platform agent hub, being able to manage both iMessage and WeChat from the same interface is a meaningful quality-of-life improvement. There's also an iMessage catch-up feature, which handles migration scenarios for users transitioning between platforms or reinstalling. And for a premium feature, there's a Discord voice agent proxy, letting you route voice agent interactions through Discord. One heads up worth noting, there was a breaking change with BlueBubbles. If you're running OpenClaw with BlueBubbles on macOS, check the release notes for the migration path before upgrading. OpenClaw 5.9 changes the default behavior for thinking mode. The think command is now the default, which means OpenClaw now reasons through requests before executing by default, rather than acting immediately. For users who prefer the spontaneous mode, you can disable this, but the shift suggests the developers are confident in the thinking model's reliability. Status reporting has also improved. The agent now gives more detailed feedback about what it's doing, better visibility into task progress, decision-making, and any blockers. This matters for users running OpenClaw on longer tasks, where you want to know what's happening under the hood without constantly checking in. Here's the honest assessment. OpenClaw 5.9 is a solid incremental update. The messaging expansions, WeChat and iMessage catch-up, are useful for the right use cases. The think default is a meaningful behavioral shift that most users will probably appreciate. Improved agent status reporting is always welcome. If you're already on OpenClaw, this is a safe upgrade. If you're not, and you've been looking for a self-evolving agent framework with cross-platform messaging support and strong developer tooling, 5.9 is a good version to start with. We'll keep an ear perked for the stable release and any community feedback on the BlueBubbles migration. Give the video a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the